This is iPhone 17. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So this year we have only iPhone 17 and there is no iPhone 17 Plus. Instead we have iPhone Air and iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's first talk about the design. This year the bezels of the basic model have been further reduced and they are equivalent to the bezels of the iPhone 17 Pro Max or the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's turn it on. This is the braided C2C cable. Let us set it up. It's a good news that this year Apple bought some pro features to the base model with the brighter display, the thinner bezels, and ProMotion up to 120 Hz. Let's go ahead and continue. So let's continue and set up the Face ID. So you can set it up as a new device, or you can transfer your data from iCloud backup or from another iPhone, from Mac or PC, or from any of your other devices like Android device. So let's transfer the data from the iCloud. So when transferring the data from iCloud, and in order to continue, you need to enter the verification code that would be sent to your mobile number. After verifying the code, it is then signing in, accept the terms and conditions, and signs in. So this completes the process, and here we have everything in our new iPhone. All the apps, photos, they will be downloading in the background, and while that uh, you can use the phone normally. We have some upgrades in the camera. We have 48 megapixel fusion main camera and 48 megapixel fusion ultra wide camera, and we have 18 megapixel front facing center stage camera. So when we are going to open the camera app, let's continue here, set up later. We have the center stage front facing camera. We can, so this is it auto zooms in and out to adjust in more people. Here we can turn it on automatically, auto zoom on and auto rotate on. And we have one more thing, we have a dual capture in the video mode. We have a dual capture. This is the dual capture. So here the front and the back cameras record at the same time. In the settings app, we have inside the display, we have always on display for the first time in the base model. In the display and brightness, we have always on display for the first time in the base model. So this was a little bit about some new features which Apple upgraded in the base model, and I hope you like the video, and as usual give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed my channel, do consider subscribing it, and like this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.